Controller drift can be frustrating, but there are ways to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Follow these steps to address controller drift in Call of Duty. Step 1. Identify the drift. Check if your controller is experiencing drift by moving the analog stick. If the character moves without input, you likely have drift. Test it in the game settings or a menu to confirm. Step 2. Clean the analog sticks. Turn off your controller and use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris around the analog sticks. You can also use a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to clean around the base of the sticks. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. In the game settings, navigate to the controller options and look for dead zone settings. Increase the dead zone for the analog sticks to see if it reduces the drift effect. This setting determines how much movement is required before the game registers input. Step 4. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any firmware updates available. Connect it to your console or PC and follow the manufacturer's instructions to update the firmware, which can sometimes resolve drift issues. Step 5. Consider repair or replacement. If the drift persists after cleaning and adjusting settings, it may be time to repair or replace the controller. Look into warranty options or consider taking it to a professional repair service. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and potentially fix controller drift, allowing you to enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions.